So this is what you get with this electric kids motorcycle. So you get the whole motorcycle and you get these parts you need to attach. Looks pretty straightforward. Let's go ahead and put it together. So here's the little car, the little motorcycle. Very easy to assemble. Only took me a few minutes. This is the charging port, and it does come with the charging cable. You could change the music here. Right here, you turn it on and off. This is forward and backward. And here's the little pedal. You also have a little light in the front. You can see it's on. So, really nice bike. Let's go ahead and show it to my daughter.